Can you take a bite? Ah. Why?
I didn't have your applesauce. But I didn't have your applesauce.
Your turn.
Uh-oh.
Mmm.
Mom, Mama spilled them.
What are you supposed to do?
You have to lean over.
Okay. Lean over then. What about you? Are you making a mess?
No mess.
No mess?
But you did make a mess.
Can you take another bite of your yogurt? Is it good?
I know how to eat.
Is it? Can you say your ABCs? Say them.
A, B, C, G, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
10.
H.
I. J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, E, F, O, G. Mommy.
Uh-huh.
The A, B, C, D, O, F, G.
O, F, G.
A, B, C, E, F, I.
Can you do your numbers?
Uh-oh.
Numbers. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, E, F, C, A, B, C, E, F, G.
Yay! More? Do it again.
A, B, C, E, F, G. A, B, C, E, F, G.
What comes after that?
Numbers.
Numbers? Okay, do your numbers.
A, B, C.
No, that's your ABCs. What about numbers? 1.
A, B, C.
Can you say cheese?
B, C, E,
Say cheese.
A,